Water is essential for us. Our body is made up of more than 80% of water. And when we consume water, without hunger, without thirst, we are just putting in water too much. And that is why we say, because we need a lot of water, our food should be such which should have plenty of water in them. If we take fruits and vegetables, the water in those materials, those kinds of foods, is of the best quality. The best man-made water or man providing water is not even as good as the water that comes from the fruits and vegetables. So when you consume a lot of fruits and a lot of vegetables, then we are taking good water. That's why we should eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, which is called a lot of water. But just simply drinking too much of water in it, 2 liters of water, 8 glasses of water, that has no meaning at all. We are just flooding our system with too much water, not good quality of water, and loading the kidney with too much work. Kidney gets spoiled very soon. People end up doing dialysis and then go into kidney transplantation because of these habits. It's not addressed properly. People should know that cooking salt is the one which makes everybody to drink a lot of water.